So please show us how this solar panel works.
So us being on a non-electric site, you know, sometimes we need to charge our phones and everything. So we just brought this first simple extension cord, which you can plug in 4 outlets on. You can grab any extension cord really, and that's kind of our goal. So I can kind of show you kind of reverse engineering how this works. So the extension cord is plugged into this inverter, which is a DC to AC inverter. And the AC being the output, and then the DC being this car battery. We just had a spare car battery, so we hooked that up. And this car battery is hooked up to this little module over here we call the solar charge controller. And this essentially just controls the charge and the output of the solar panel, make sure nothing explodes. And then we have our main attraction, which is the solar panel. So it's pretty simple. The solar panel receives sunlight, photovoltaic cells get excited, plugged into this little controller, into this battery, into the inverter, and out through the output. It's good to go.